everyone, welcome back to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I get ready for a red carpet or a really important event. I wanted to share with you guys my rituals and my routine for how I get ready for an event. Right now, I am off to an event and I'm late. I'm actually just filming the intro and the outro for you guys. So that is what this video is going to be about. Please do not forget to subscribe to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel and join me on my little family here on the internet. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be one of the first people to know. I love you all and I can't wait for you guys to see this video. See you on the flip side. This is me relaxing in bed. Usually I like to just chill in bed and do work and time myself because I like to get ready at least. I like to start getting ready at least by three hours before the start of the event. I know that is extra, but believe me, my routine is extra AF. And by the time, as you can see, I noticed what time it was. I was like, oh shit, I gotta get out of bed right now and I gotta go and start getting ready. So the first thing I always do, no matter what time it is, I always brush my teeth before I go to an event. I mean, it makes sense. You don't want to show up with stank mouth. Then I cleanse my face, and this starts my skincare, and I use the Beauty Formula's Activated Charcoal Cleanser. This is one of my favorite cleansers because, number one, it's really affordable. It's like 1,000 naira, plus it does the job, so I love it so much. Then I shave my face. Now because I have PCOS, my face can get a little fuzzy. So usually like once or twice a month, I like to shave my face and shave my mustache. It also helps with like exfoliation. Like I notice like when I shave my face, my skin is so much smoother. Then after doing that, I use a face scrub. Now I only use a physical like exfoliating, like one of those scrubs with like beads. I only use it like once a month because I like using chemical exfoliation. But if I have an event during the day, I like to scrub my face, and I only do this again like once a month because I just like the smooth feeling it really gives my face. And then I am putting on my face mask. This is the Banish Acne Scars Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This is gonna sting because again I scrubbed my face and I shaved my face, so it's gonna sting because I've really exfoliated my skin, but believe me, the glow I'm gonna get is amazing. Usually while my face is, just baking in the mask, I figure out my outfit and I also figure out like the makeup that I want to do. So, in the 20 minutes while I wait for my mask to dry, this is what I'm doing, looking at makeup and shit. Then I go into the shower and I have a nice bath, and that is where I actually rinse off the mask. Now I'm here at my table about to, lotion up my body, but I'm not gonna show you that. I like to keep it PG-13 here. And here I am, I'm back, and now it's time for me to sit down at my beautiful, beautiful table and get ready to beat my face. But before that, I am gonna do some skincare. So this is the Shea Hydro Vegetal Micellar Water. I like applying this to my skin, especially after all the heavy exfoliating I've done. This is just going to help to hydrate and make sure my face doesn't really dry out. Then I'm going to be using the Sabo Vegetal moisturizer. This is the gel moisturizer that everybody loves, and I love it too. It makes so much sense and is like the best moisturizer for oily skin, honestly. And then I'm going to be using the Nikko eye and lip cream. I mean, if we're gonna moisturize, we gotta moisturize those areas because those areas are very, very, very special. Right now I'm just looking for music to play because whenever I do my makeup, I have to have something playing. And now I am doing my makeup. I decided not to show you guys the makeup I'm doing because I feel like I've done a lot of makeup tutorials, and the makeup that I did for this event was I didn't really like it, but also I didn't want to show you guys because it's like a tutorial that I've done before. Not a tutorial, but like it's a look I have done several times on my Insta stories, and I've even done like a tutorial to cut crease. I have cut crease, so I decided not to show you guys. So this is like a sped through version of the makeup that I did that day. it's time for me to do my hair, and I have bantu knots in, so I have to loosen them. I usually just use my moisturizer. This is my Adebiyi Organics hair butter. I rub it on my hands and then apply it to like the hair as much like as I do, and then I put more on my finger so that when I'm loosening the bantu knots, it comes apart smoothly and it doesn't frizz up, and I don't get like a ton of volume. This hairstyle doesn't make my hair look long, but it makes my hair look very, very defined, which I really, really like. When it comes to accessories, I'm pretty boring. I just wear my watch, my Pandora bracelet, and these beads that Tunde got me. And I'm dressed up, you know, just wearing my watch, wearing my bracelet, packing my bag, and then spritzing on, spritzing some perfume on so I smell good, I look nice, and you gotta look nice, you gotta smell nice, you're making an impression. And then I do a final powder, make sure everything is nice and blended, pick up my bag, and head out. Guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm so sorry that I had to end this video on my phone. My camera died and I forgot to carry my extra battery. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please do not forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, click on the notification bell, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.